Okay, guys, welcome back to my channel. My last video was 3 months ago, and when I went to the channel, I saw it was 3 months ago. I was like, wow, okay. Does it mean I've not been trading since then? No, I just haven't had the time to make a video and upload. It's actually really exhausting. Like, I didn't know it was this exhausting, and also I dabbled into a lot of things. So just trying to find a balance, you get. So it has not been easy. But yeah, I think I will have to start somehow. I'll just have to start from somewhere because I really want to look back and see how I've started, like how far I've come, because I wish I started this earlier on, honestly. So, but it's all good. I'm just going to try, and even if it's to be uploading every week, because it's really not easy making these videos and uploading. So, but yeah, I'm just going to try, and I don't know for now. This is 15th October 2022. I really don't know how many people watching my videos because I have not done anything like to promote it, or I'm just basically uploading these videos like so I can watch them later. So I'm going to be sharing my screen. Yeah, okay. So yeah, like I said, I dabbled into a lot of things, and it was as if I'm not sure what I was doing again. So I had to pause, right? I needed to be sure. Um, I'm making this video because I believe I'm not the only one going through this. So if you're going through the same thing, just know that you're not alone. So what I'm talking about is that feeling of wanting more. And I don't like that feeling because I like to be contented like with what I have. So the looking at most of the trades that I take and feeling like I could have gotten more out of this, I'll make $50 or $100, and then I'll start looking at the trade and start regretting, oh, I could have made more. Like I really don't like that feeling. I just want to be contented and be satisfied. Okay, I placed this trade and followed my trading plan, and it worked out. So, and that's it. So whatever the market does after that is none of my business. So yeah, another thing I'm battling with is um closing out my trades right prematurely. Like for instance, this is a trade I took on Bitcoin. It was straight and forward analysis. The market is in a downtrend. Look at the daily time frame, is in a downtrend, 4 hour time frame. Oh, it's just taking time to load. Yeah, 4 hour time frame in a downtrend. So 1 hour time frame, this is where I executed. But then um I really don't like going down to the lower time frame because I'm trying my best to stay away from noise. So yeah, I got this idea from the 1 hour, but then I got this idea from the 4 hours, but then I executed on the 1 hour. So looking at the 4 hour, there is a trend right here. This is the trend. I mapped it out, and I was just waiting for this trend to break. I think this was CPI. Yeah, this was CPI from here. That was a drop, and immediately it broke out from here. Like, and I was seeing all these tiny bodies. Like, I was not convinced, right, to take the trade yet. So, but then I felt like, okay, I've missed out because it finally dropped. But then that same day, the market reversed back and started pushing up, and then I mapped out this other block, and immediately market tapped into the other block. I went down to the lower time frame, refined it, and spotted break of structures down there, and then I took the trade. But then I took the trade with 180 pip stop. Yeah, 180 pip stop, and my target is 1,400 approximately pips. So I used the zero point 0.1 lot, and I closed out around here. Like I don't even know what happened, and I still feel like this thing will play out. I mean, I took the trade yesterday. Today is Saturday. I took the trade yesterday. So anytime I take a trade on Friday, like I don't know, I don't really feel comfortable like holding that trade. You get, assuming I took it on Monday, yes, I'll be comfortable holding it. But I mean, look at the move. I love this move that I got, and then I started seeing all these tiny bodies again, obviously because it's weekend. So yeah, I just closed it out. I don't know what's going to happen. Because currently Bitcoin is still trading. It's not like currency pairs that you trade only Mondays to Friday. You can trade Bitcoins even on weekends, but then there's still volume. Right now, as I'm making this video, there's no volume. So anyone taking any trade now, I mean, you can just enter this trade and this thing will keep on going up and down around this area, and let me even go down to something like 30 minutes and see if it's a tradable range. I would not even trade this, but I mean, I know some people will trade this like from here to here is like 150 pips approximately. Yeah, some people will still trade this zone like from here to here, maybe go down to 5 minutes. And but for Bitcoin, because of I know the way it moves, and you need a big stop loss. You can't trade Bitcoin and be using 10 pips stop, 20 pips stop. So I mean, I can't be trading 150 pip range. I like to trade 1000 pips range so that I can be able to get, even if it's 300 or 500 out of the market with my stop loss of 100, 150 pips. So yeah, this was the idea. For gold, the same idea, break of structure, retest, and yeah, gold played out perfectly in a downtrend. So Monday, what am I looking at on Monday? I looking at Bitcoin like to continue this move down. So I will just probably look for a way and re-enter my idea, like, but I won't be using big lots, maybe half of what I used before. So yeah. Then um another thing that I'm trying to do is, because like I said in my last video, this is what I do full time now. So it's not as if I have any other thing I do. But apart from trading, I started reading some trading books, and what else? People around me that are serious about trading, I kind of mentor them, like teach them what I know. So yeah, that's it. Apart from trade, I think yeah, then investments as well. So that's just it. Um so I'm trying to see how the Asian sessions work. So adding some pairs to my I'll be adding I'll be adding some pairs to my list, because these pairs now I trade them mostly London and New York, NYSU. But for Asia, I will be adding let's see, um Asians, I'll be adding Cardian and yeah, any of the yen pairs, Cardian, yeah, AJ, yeah, AJ, yeah, that's it. Yeah, so I mean, in case I just happen to be awake by that time, I'll just look at the market and see what they're trying to do then. And also, once I take any trade, like I wake up Monday Asian session and I see a trade and I take it and it's a winning trade. That's it. But London, if I see another setup, then assuming I used one lot during Asians, then London I'll be using maybe 0.3, like just risking profits I made from Asian session. So because why I'm doing this is because I'm trying to be taking maximum of 3 trades, right? In a day, maximum of 3. So if I win the first one, then I reduce my size on the second one. And if that's wrong, then I'm done. But if I win that one, then the third one, I also, give it a try. As long as I see a setup that meets my criteria, that's the only reason that I'm going to get involved. So I think that would be all for now. Yeah, I for the next videos, I'll just be doing a recap of what I've done for the week. Like this week, these are the only trades that I took, the Bitcoin and gold trade. So next week I will just probably have to look at this and see. Wow, this would be a really good idea. I have to sign up for any of these brokers that can integrate my link my broker to this trading view. I think it will be better, or I will just share my trading app so that you guys will see the trades and how it played out for the week. So I think that's how I'll just start it gradually. So thanks for stopping by. See you guys in the next video. Yeah.